something in the air, like I have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I'll be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why it's a waste of time. Peace of mind is ruled by fear.